What's good, YouTube? AO Designs back with another video. Last video, like I told you, Lexus is out of commission for a while till we get the part for it. Stay tuned for that. Oh man, I gotta sneeze. Okay, I thought I did. So we have this Dodge pickup. It is a Fargo, what is that, D15. Last year I did some work on it. Like I said before, we put all this in, and now stage 2, we are going to do something pretty damn cool. We're going to make and create our own floor pan, or should I say flooring. It's all going to be wrapped in that gray. Probably have some carpet in there, a little two-tone action. In the center, we're going to build a custom cooler. This car goes to car shows, so they want to be able to sit, chill, have some drinks in there. So this video is going to be about the mock-up and the start of that, along with we have a center console I have to build from a guy out in West Virginia. His name's Mark. So that will be coming in. We'll have the finishing touches of the Lexus and whatever else Mike AO Designs has to do. So stay tuned. Again, kids have lakes, very nice out. And let's get started on this Dodge. Alright, y'all, working on the old school pickup truck, but waiting on some parts, and gotta go run and get some other materials in town. Went ahead and finished up this. Again, this is actually kind of semi finished. It's gonna be kind of temporary until, again, he's gonna get a new radio, because that radio is pretty much shot. And then the amplifier, the factory amplifier, is not it's not doing well either. So until he gets those two items, there will be a beauty panel that covers all this stuff up. But for now, we added that white jail audio piece that's right there. That's a hideaway radio, so he can just hook up his Bluetooth to it, still have music, until he gets those other units. Again, those things are expensive, so he'll get that, and then we'll swap that out and put back a LC7i from Audio Control. So we'll put that piece back in there, but this is kind of temporary for now. Again, I'll have a beauty panel that goes over this. Ooh, excuse me. And we got the 12 in the back. Kind of hard to see, but I just built just a panel that goes across, something simple. But Audio Control 12-inch woofer. Everything sounds pretty good. He's on his way to pick it up now. Yeah, so this Lexus is complete, and then we'll move on to the truck. So I'm gonna show you how I build the skeleton for that. So let me go grab all that material, and then I'll get back with you. All right, bye. All right, y'all, here's that skeleton I'm talking about many days later. But this skeleton is going to get skinned with this real thin wood over the top. That way you get some curves in there. Man, it was kind of a pain, but it's coming out. And then the whole thing will be wrapped in a nice carpet, probably like a darker carpet than the light carpet there. There'll be an insert in there, kind of hide the screws. I put some inserts in there, so that'd be completely bolted down. Went around the seat belts, and then now moving on to all of this. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, working on the Dodge. As you can see, the skeleton in the back, and then the flooring towards the front, and then I will carpet it with a dark gray carpet that I picked up. You'll see it's coming along. I'm going to pull this out, the skeleton back piece out, work my way from the back to the front. We'll have like one seam that comes across, look real nice and pretty. It's coming along. Time consuming to get it the right way, but it'll be all molded in real nice and smooth. Holes for the seats. Stay tuned. It's coming along, like I said. So we're going to get this knocked out and keep it moving. Let's get it. All right, y'all, all finished finally. As you can see, the carpet's all in. This is an ongoing project. We have a center console that's going to go in next time around, along with some kick panels, door pods, and etc. Again, click like, share, subscribe. AL Designs, Anthony Lyons. On to the next project. Got a whole bunch of goodies coming your way, so stay tuned.